Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox and give a quick review of the windshield or the Rain X Windshield repair kit. So you can see this repair kit costs around between $15 to $35 depending on where you got them. I got this one for $35 in my area. It's quite expensive, and let's see if it's going to work good on the car when you have a crack, chips, bullseye or a star crack on your windshield. So let's see first what's inside the box right here. So I'm just gonna open it up and we're gonna take a look on the inside. Okay, so let's open it up. And in here you got the tools to help you put it on the glass, and this will essentially helps remove the bubbles when you put the resin onto the windshield. So this is what it is. So this is the tools here, and then there are some plug. So this plug you can plug it in. So I assume it's going to go in here, so we just have to look. And then here's the bottle. So here is the repair resin bottle, Rain X. It's really small, it's just basically just 1 gram. And yeah, so this is the bottle right here. It's quite small, and you got the instruction. So in here there is a windshield repair kit directions. It will show you how to and then there's a bunch of sheets, so it's quite a lot, a couple of them in here. So I've got what, maybe around 10, I would say. It's quite a lot. You can see here it's quite a lot of sheets that we're going to need to use later. And then there's this piece here as well. Now we need to go through the instruction and see how to use this correctly. So yeah, I'm going to try to use it now, and then we'll see if it works well or not. Okay, so in this package here is the razor blade right here, and it doesn't look good. It looks like it's a little bit rusted already. So right here, but I suppose it still works, so that's fine. Even though it looks a little bit rusted right here, but that's fine. So we can use it later to scrape off the resin.